Hello, welcome back to welcome back to the Wears family. This time I'm trying out these Cheez It Crunch. They're new with different flavors. This one is just shredded white cheddar and this one is just the jalapeno cheddar and the other one is cake nacho cheese and other stuff. Yeah, king nacho cake. Yeah. Cake nacho cheese. See? And stuff, I'm just eating them. See if it's like the true tasting of what they say or not, because sometimes when people put the name on things and stuff, it's like a fake or something like that. So I'm just opening it. Yeah, I mean then king nacho cheese. See if that's really the king nacho cheese flavor or something like that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I did some nacho cheese, and I also taste the green peppers as well as yellow. I mean not yellow. I mean the red tomatoes. They're not tomatoes. Yeah, I think they are tomatoes. And somehow I taste beans too. Yeah, I taste the beans. Even in this picture, didn't like it didn't No, there's no beans in this one, but I also tasted though, and it's very good. Okay. Now I'm trying just the jalapeno cheddar. Okay, this one should be just jalapeno in it. The green jalapeno. So let me see if it's a jalapeno or not. That's odd because I thought jalapeno was supposed to be hot. And this is not even hot. Yeah, you can taste the cheese and the jalapeno. Yeah, on the picture, it doesn't say what cheese. And what it says right here, it doesn't say what kind of cheese. If it's just regular cheese or if it's if it's like a different kind of flavored cheese or something like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna try shredded white cheddar. This one right here. I wonder why is it called shredded white cheddar thingy. I keep wondering why do they call that shredded white cheese and stuff. Okay, now let me try it out. Yeah, I do taste a white cheddar, but they should add it like something in it to make it white cheddar and stuff. Like they should have made like something with the white cheddar, not just white cheddar. The sharp white cheddar and stuff. I just think it's fun. I just think it's weird and stuff. okay, if you like this, can you give me like 50 thumbs up? I mean 50 likes and stuff. And I was and and if you haven't hit the subscribe button and hit the bell that notifies if I get more videos coming out, and can you make sure the bell is on, turned to all on, that's how you get notified if I get more videos coming out. And can you please share this to your friends, your family, or anyone that you know and stuff, and let's do this all together. Peace, love, and we are